Technology was founded in 2009 and located in Shenzhen, China. It is a professional manufacturer and service provider of precision connectors and wireless harness products. We have independent office and production space. The factory area is over 12,000 square meters. The existing staff is over 280. Our products serve the fields of automotive electronics, industrial automation control, new energy and energy storage, smart home, smart consumer, smart communication. Soulin is a national high-tech enterprise, a member of Connector Industry Association, 3A grade critic unit. Our products meet UL product certification standards. At the same time, our products has passed all these standards, as you can see. We have a professional team. Each member has rich experience. We also cooperate with domestic and international research institutes and universities to develop new connectors and meet market demand. This is our R&D department, which has a standardized product development process and technical review system. Here is our production workshop. Soulin has a series of supply chains such as hardware department, injection department, assembly department, wire harness department, etc. We have various high-precision stamping equipment, assembly automation and semi-automatic equipment, wire harness processing and testing equipment, foaming injection molding machine. If you are interested in cooperating with us, feel free to contact us at any time.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.